Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if touch gestures are not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I want to mention before we get into any real troubleshooting steps would be almost all laptop manufacturers have a hardware key that toggles the touchpad on and off. So you might want to look up your computer make and model on your laptop or tablet or whatever would have a touchpad, which I would assume would be a laptop. If you want to go ahead and check on to Google or see if there's any other forums, I'm sure someone's asked this question before for your specific make and model of computer, and see if there's a key combination that would probably turn the touchpad back on. So that's something I would take a look into first. If it's not working at all in general, I'd recommend trying that. If you're trying to adjust some touchpad settings or if you're maybe looking a little bit deeper, something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select Bluetooth and devices. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and locate touchpads, assuming you're on a touchpad equipped device. Now I'm on a desktop environment here. I'm not going to have the touchpad option. So, I apologize, but, I mean, it is what it is. I took you right here. You just have to select touchpad from this list. And then there would be an option that would say gestures and interaction. And then you would click on that and then click on scroll and zoom. And then from the scroll and zoom menu, you can click on the scrolling direction left and right if you want to set that behavior, as well as pinch to zoom. So you have some different customization options to explore. And that's pretty much it. You may also need to look into the BIOS settings if none of that works for you. So your BIOS could have the key to turning your touchpad on or off, again, depending on, the circumstances of your problem. So that's something, again, to look into. You can find out how to access your BIOS settings depending on your manufacturer as well. So just Google that and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.